Okay, so, guess what happened at school today? So, you know that floppy disk I found yesterday? Here it is. You notice something different? The metal plate's gone. Well, here's what happened. Basically, in my first hour today, let's see, what did happen? I forget. One of my classmates decided, hey, let's put this in the computer to see what it contains. And I was like, okay. And so I put it in the school's computer, and it got stuck, just like in my computer at home. And I used it to get it out, and apparently I sort of did it wrong. And the metal plate broke off. Nothing really wrong with it, it's just that the film's exposed now. And also, when the metal plate's exposed, apparently it holded everything together, so I had to, as you can see there, I had to tape it back together on both sides so it wouldn't fall apart. And, yeah. There's some gunk on it. But apparently the metal plate was in the way because, look at this. Or this, I'll probably have to find something to cover it up with in the future. But look at this. It comes out now without getting stuck. So at least that's good. Yep. Oh yeah, and I'm having Taco Bell. She's laying on my glasses.
She was like, I want to make my little face on them. I said, no, those are Brenda's glasses. She was, well, I was just trying to work on her.
What's your number?
Kitty.
She was, oh.
You can't be laying on my glasses.
She was white. Oh. She was white.
Hi, Angels.
She was good.
Aren't you glad to see me?
Sure, she was good. I couldn't get in because of the
Just shooting.
That's good.